All right, y'all, we are here at the Mountain Dream Car Show in Burnsville, North Carolina, in support of Annabella's Haven. We've got a gorgeous Z28 here. Check this car out. This is a 78 Camaro Z28. Looking very, very nice. Love it, love it. I really like these Z28s. Late 70s cars. The Camaros and the Firebirds are my favorites in that era. Check out this awesome Polara. 64 Polara. I believe it's a 383. Isn't that nice? Looking good. Dodge Polara. Very cool. 1964 Polara. Another Z28. Looking fantastic. I believe this is a 79, maybe? Yep, 79. How you, brother?
Hey, man.
Car's looking good.
Thank you.
I think I've seen this one a couple times around.
Yeah.
Love it. Sport Fury. Plymouth Sport Fury. Official pace car. 49th Indianapolis 500 race, May 31st, 1965. That's awesome. Gotta love a Fury. Sport Fury. Especially in a convertible. Very cool. Looks good. And new Corvettes. Mid-engine C8 Corvette. This is a brand new 2023.
Just awesome. I know you already know that.
A rocket on wheels.
Well, hey, give me the keys.
I don't even have a key.
Another Corvette. A little older. Not much.
I know. I'm aggravated. My car doesn't even have a shifter. Push button. I figured that.
Who knows what year this Corvette is? I don't know them that closely. If you know, put it in the comments. Love to hear from you. A couple of gorgeous Corvettes. There's Mustang Cobra. Very nice. It's a convertible. SVT Cobra Mustang.
All right, it's raffle time. So the first raffle today is from AutoZone.
So I got this gorgeous
You got some soap, some tire
71
cleaners, some rags, a sponge,
Chevelle SS.
interior cleaner.
That's a whole lot of engine right there, folks.
Here we go.
$4.96. Here's a quick tip on Chevelles. See the double lights
Nancy
here?
Fox, come on up to the stage and
When you see
claim
two
your
like that
AutoZone bucket.
with a single headlight, that's a 71. 72 would have
Nancy Fox.
single
Nancy Fox.
light where they're all together there on the corner instead of the separated ones. 71 and 72 are the Chevelles with the single headlights. 70 Chevelle, very similar body style, would have still the double headlights on both sides. And round tail lights. It's a 71, 72. And this is a 1971 Chevelle SS.
I might have a change in it.
Folks, 1961 Impala. Chevy Impala 61. Love this style. 4-speed. Good looking interior. Love the red and white. Awesome. And we got the 3 2-barrels. Very nice. 61 Impala. 1995 SVT Cobra Mustang.
Just one.
Very cool. 95. They're super deluxe, folks. Looking good. How many again? 41? 41 Super Deluxe. Hey man, awesome brother. I have a 94 Mustang. I believe that's the first of that body style. Got this pickup. 67 Ford. With a 352. Looking very original. Ford F100, 1967. Gorgeous Camaro Z28. This is the 30th anniversary from 1997. 6-speed Z28. That will fly. Good looking car. Check out this Ford. Another 68 Ranger. Very nice. Ford F100 Ranger. 390 badges. Very cool. It's the brand new 2023 BMW M3 competition model. Very cool. Nice. 2017 Mustang. Very nice. Love the shape of these front ends. 2017 68 Nova. 396 badges. 425 horse. Some quick tips on these Novas. The 68 had the clear lenses on the side, not amber. And also 68 is the last Nova to say Chevy 2. 69s did not say Chevy 2 on the hood trim. Very nice. I like this Nova. Love those wheels. Check out this Chevy 2. This is a 63. I think those started in 62, didn't they? This is a 63. One of the earlier Chevy 2 Novas. Nova SS. These are such great little cars. Look at those wheels. I like that. Gorgeous, gorgeous Chevy 2 Nova SS. Camaro Z28. Very nice. This is a 72 model. I believe one of the ways to tell between a 70, 71 versus a 72, 73 is the size of these spaces here in the grille. They're much smaller on the 70 and 71, I do believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is 72 Camaro Z28. Check out this Corvette Stingray. Alright, let's see what we got here. Very nice. Now, this car still has a rear chrome bumper, but not a chrome front bumper. before 73, they had chrome in the front and the rear. I think 73 was the only one with a rear chrome bumper but not a front bumper. May have been the case in 72, not certain. But soon after this car, they didn't have any chrome. Very cool GMC square body pickup. Very nice. It's turned into a beautiful day. So glad that the 80% chance of rain they were giving a week ago is not here. Beautiful day. And check out this gorgeous Chevy. I believe that's a 55. Am I right? Very nice. Very, very nice. $55?
Yeah.
Awesome. Looks great, brother. There you go with a Shelby Mustang. Very cool. And Mustang GT. This is early 80s, right? Mid 86. '86 Mustang GT. Check out this beauty. '39 Ford sedan. Very cool. Very cool. And Camaro, 68 Rally Sport, 327 it says. Not sure about that. Looks awesome though. 68 Rally Sport Camaro. We got a Cuda. That's a 70. 340 Cuda. A couple of great pickups here. Chevy Vortec. Good. And here's a 2000 model Chevy 1500. Nice. A 1968 GTO. Very cool. Very cool. Awesome. Sweet lowered GMC. Very nice. It's an 83 model. '79 Ford, thoroughly lifted with some serious wheels and tires. And looks like we got a pretty serious engine in here as well. High rise with dual fours. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of truck right there. A lot of truck. 77. '68 Camaro SS 4-speed 396. One mean 396. Some serious heads right there. '79 Ford. '78 wagon. Mercury. Freddie the Mercury. That's a lot of car right there. It was '68 '68 Nova. Let me start that again.